మేము జస్ట్ ఇనిషియేట్ చేసాం అంతే. ఇక్కడ 630, లాస్ట్ 580 అని చెప్పారు. సో ఇంకా పెరిగారు. ఓకే, 630. ఓకే, తిరుపతి, మంగళగిరి, హైదరాబాద్, ఇండియాలో అయితే. ఓకే 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 ఓకే. సో ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువగా బిల్లింగ్ సొల్యూషన్స్, కోడింగ్, మెడికల్ కోడింగ్. యా, I hope I'm not disturbing their working time and all. No, ma'am. We have logged in early today. Okay, sir. Okay, you could have checked, sir. That's fine, sir. I think I'll go ahead. We'll finish and then come. Okay? Is that okay? Yeah. All of you working so hard.
నా మీడియా వల్ల కొంచెం
But I have few words to say about her. Very beautiful, talented, and a very young entrepreneur. We have a successful lady here today. So welcome, ma'am. Welcome, Mrs. Nara Brahmini here. We are very much excited, really, when we got to know that you are going to visit our location today. Guys, please. So now we want Nara Brahmini. Yeah, ma'am.
Sorry. Yes, yes, please.
హలో శుభో ప్రారంభించినటువంటి స్థాపకురాలైనటువంటి ముందు శాంతకుమార్ గారికి ఆత్మశాంతి కలవాలని ముందు మాట్లాడుతూ ఇటువంటి మంచి కంపెనీని పెట్టాలని, ఎంతో మందికి ఉద్యోగం ఇవ్వాలని మేనేజ్మెంట్ భావించి బంగారపు హస్తాలతోటి లోకేష్ గారు ప్రారంభించినట్టు సంస్థ 2017. చిన్న చిన్నగా పెద్దదై ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 635 మంది ఉద్యోగస్తులు ఇక్కడ ఉన్నారు. ఇది త్వరలో 1000 మంది పోతుంది. ఇంకా 3 yearsలో ఇది 1000 మందికి వస్తుంది. ఇది ఏమని లోకేష్ గారు ఐటీ మినిస్టర్గా వచ్చి ఇక్కడ ఐటీ పార్క్ పెట్టి ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్లో ఫస్ట్ ఐటీ కంపెనీ ఈ పైకేర్ అనుకోని మీకు చూస్తూ ఉన్నాను. అన్ని రకాలుగా ఇక్కడ రాళ్ళు రప్పలు ఒక అడవిగా ఉండేది మేము వచ్చినప్పుడు. దాన్ని ఈ విధంగా రూపుదిద్దడానికి ఐటీ మినిస్టర్గా లోకేష్ బాగా శ్రమ చేశారు. ఇంకా మీకు తెలియని ఏంటి అంటే బస్సులు మరి కంపెనీ ముందుగా తిరిగేవి, ఇప్పుడు బస్సులు రావటం. ఇటువంటి కంపెనీలో పనిచేస్తున్న మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ చూడటానికి, మీ అభిప్రాయాలను స్వీకరించుకోవడానికి, మీకు మంచి ఆశీస్సులు అందించడానికి, మీకు మంచి భవిష్యత్తును చూపడానికి నాకు మనవరాలు అవుతున్నా. మరి ఎందుకన్నానంటే ఆ రోజు ఇనాగ్రేషన్ స్టేజ్ మీద మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు నా పక్కన లోకేష్ గారు కూర్చొని తాతగారు అన్నాడు. ఈరోజు మనవరాలు అమ్మాయి, ఇప్పుడు మనవరాలు గారు ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఏం చెబుతున్నారు, అంతరార్థం ఏమిటో, నిర్ణయం ఏ విధంగా తీసుకోవాలో. ఎందుకంటే మనందరం మనకు స్లోగన్ ఉంది, మంచిగా ఉండు మంచి అని. మంచి ఆలోచన చేస్తారని నేను మిమ్మల్ని అందరినీ ఆశీర్వదిస్తూ అమ్మాయిని మాట్లాడమని కోరుతున్నాను.
నాకు ఎక్కడ లేని ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ వస్తుంది. I don't think I've seen so many women under one roof in a corporate office in my life. It's amazing. మేము హెరిటేజ్ కంపెనీలో కూడా ఎన్నో మహిళలతో పనిచేస్తామండి, ఎస్పెషలీ ఫార్మర్స్. కానీ వాళ్ళు అనేక గ్రామాల్లో ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ఇంతమందిని ఒకే ఆఫీస్లో చూడటం నాకు ఫస్ట్ టైం. ఇట్స్ అ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. And it's really amazing to hear about how 5Care's operation started in Mangalgiri. Ikkada sir annattu, there was nothing. There was no development, there were no roads, there was no infrastructure, there was no IT park, nothing at all. At that point in time, Lokesh Garu was very passionate about bringing companies, and more specifically technology companies. I'll tell you why technology companies were very important for his vision. It is because technology companies offer a fantastic opportunity for everyone, including women in specific. Nenu engineer, and I also know the benefit of technical education. It really puts the foot in the door. It offers a very secure environment in which women can work. Many can work from home also. I had met with some women who are working with HCL now, and they said that it's great that they can work from home, after their kids, after they've had kids, etc. So I'm really happy to see all of you, and let's remember where technical education for women started first. We all know that Chandrababu Naidu Garu was the first in the country to introduce reservation for women in professional education in general. It could be the medical field or it could be the engineering field. Thank you so much. So నేను కూడా ఇందులో ఒక బెనిఫిషియరీ నేనండి. I had a good rank, I got into a college. Of course, later I transferred to the US. But నా friends అందరూ, they're doing so well. They're working very successfully, either in technology companies here in India itself or abroad. They're independent, like all of you. They're doing very well. I'm so proud to see that he's really benefited a generation of women of our state. I don't know how many of you know, but Telugu is the fastest growing language in the US. It's not Spanish, it's not English, it's Telugu. And that is actually testimony for all the good work done by Chandrababu Naidu Garu. I'm really proud about him. Lokesh was very passionate about bringing technical companies here. 5Care was a fantastic example of a company that actually used that opportunity and also grew above and beyond, right? Like sir was saying, we are at 630 plus employees or colleagues over here. We're going to grow to 1,000 employees over here. I think this is fantastic because at that point in time, the number of women will be 600 plus out of 1,000 employees, which is fabulous. And I think it's also really important because నేను గత 3-4 days గా చాలా మంది మహిళలతో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను, చాలా మంది ఫ్యామిలీస్ తో మాట్లాడుతున్నాను. వాళ్ళంతా చెప్పేది ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ జాబ్ సరిగా దొరకట్లేవు. అదే కాకుండా if they want to get their children skilled in specific areas, they have to send them all the way to Hyderabad. It's very expensive for them to do that. Jobs also they're not able to get here locally, so they're having to get their children employed there, which is a very sad situation because most parents want their children to be around over here. We want our state to flourish. We want our capital region to flourish, and especially E3 capitals mess wala. A lot of it is dislocated. A lot of companies that were supposed to come to the IT park here in Mangalgiri haven't come. There's very few of us that are here. There's 5Care, there's probably Vsoft, the few companies that had come about 5.5 to 6 years back. So we haven't seen any progress in that space, though we have so much fantastic talent of people in technology. So we're really passionate about it, about the cause of development, especially in the technical space, in the technology space. And along with that, we are equally passionate about welfare. Welfare everyone will provide, be it the current party which is in power, be it TDP, anyone will provide. but Nizanga is sustainable growth, sustainable job creation, sustainable development anedi, that is very important for us, because that is what will help our state flourish for the decades to come. And this magic can be done only by Chandrababu Naidu Garu. We all know it. He's done it in Hyderabad, he's done it in Telangana. That is why Hyderabad today is like an international city. Don't you agree with me? Yes. We have a fantastic airport, we have a fantastic ring road, we have a fantastic set of companies. You know, there's international, multinational companies. He was the first to bring Microsoft to India. It was Microsoft's first office outside of Seattle, such at that scale. He was the first to bring Google to India. He brought several other countries. He brought Bill Clinton to India, Tony Blair to India, several such global leaders. And on the other hand, he's also done a lot of welfare, specifically for women. He was the first to actually scale Dwakara groups to that big a scale in India, and then it became a model for the rest of India, like how technology became a model for the rest of India, right? So I'm really proud of all this. I'm really proud to see all of you for using this opportunity that you have also so well, and to be seeing all of you, to be working on a national holiday. All of you are very hardworking, and I think all of you, I see a little bit of disgruntlement, but it's really nice, and all of you are very responsible people. I know that all of you will think responsibly and make responsible decisions. I'm not here to ask you for votes, but I'm here to ask you to inspire everyone around you. There are so many educated people, right, who don't want to go vote. They don't want to go in the hot sun, especially this election. It's in May. It's the peak of summer. There are a lot of people who don't want to go out and vote. Please inspire people around you to vote, because I think this election now is the time. It will heavily impact our generation, our future generations as well. I have a 9-year-old son, and I always keep wondering, what will he do in Andhra Pradesh, right? Going forward, how will the state be, right? So I think it's very important for all of you to go out and inspire people to first go and vote, and when they vote, to think very, very responsibly, not just about the next 5 years to come, but about the decades to come. Going forward in Andhra Pradesh, we want our state to be number one. That's Chandrababu Naidu Garu's and Lokesh's vision as well. We want our Mangalgiri to do well. It's the capital region. We have to prosper. We have to be like another Hyderabad. There is no second question about it. So I would like to encourage all of you to inspire all the women and all your family members, all your friends, your communities, and to use their right to vote. It's also their responsibility. And encourage them to think very responsibly going forward. I wish you all the best, and specifically for the women around here, again, really proud of what you're achieving for yourselves and your families. And I think what I've learned in life is that it's all in the mind, right? Nothing is undoable. And once you prioritize things, once you understand where you want to be, what you want to do, what things are important for you, there's no looking back, right? No one can stop you. So many people keep asking me, you're a mom, you run Heritage Foods, you also run NTR Trust, as well as you're on the board of Indo-American Cancer Hospital. How is it possible to do so many things? I think number one, my husband is a great pillar of support for me, and so is my father-in-law. And number two is, to a certain extent, I've learned to prioritize things as well. I think at this point I could be, back at my company. It's peak season for us. But I've realized that this is the time for our state. It is important. If I don't responsibly work now, then I cannot blame anyone else. I have to blame no one but myself for not being involved and for not making that attempt to inspire people. So let's take responsibility. Let's work hard for our future. Who knows? I mean, in the next 1.5 months, if things are different, FiCare may also scale to not just be a 1,000 employee operation here, maybe a 10,000 employee operation here. We never know. Thank you so much for this opportunity, and all the best. And thank you, for having me here. I know it was very last minute, not easy, and I know you're built by the hour. You build by the hour. So thank you for giving me these few minutes. Thank you, sir, for this opportunity.
82లో తారగారు ఫ్లాగ్ హేస్టింగ్
థ్యాంక్ యూ అండి. అది మొట్టమొదట
మాట పార్టీ ప్రెసిడెంట్ సూపర్ గారు మీరా
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. నమస్తే.
బ్యాంకు
Fantastic. అంటే కంపెనీలో ఫైనాన్స్ మేనేజర్. ఓకే ఓకే దగ్గరలో థ్యాంక్ ఓకే సో నైస్ టు మీట్ యూ. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. థ్యాంక్ యూ. If you have a mobile, you want the next. Sure. Yeah? Anyone has a mobile? ఒక ఫోటో తీద్దాం సార్. ఈ ఫోటో
You are at liberty to ask few questions. She will directly answer. Be prepared to have questions, one or two questions at least from any direction. వాస్తవం శాశ్వతం. నేను చెప్పింది మీకు అర్థం అవచ్చు. ఆకర్షణ తాత్కాలికం, వాస్తవం శాశ్వతం. ఈ ఐటీ శాశ్వతం. స్థాపించింది మీకు తెలిసిపోయినారు, స్థాపించబోయేది కూడా మీకు తెలుసు. అది శాశ్వతం, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎందుకన్నా నా ఐటీ కంపెనీ గురించి చెప్పేది ఏమీ లేదు. నేను ఇది నో లాస్ నో ప్రాఫిట్ కంపెనీ. ఐఎమ్ టెలింగ్ యూ ట్రూలీ. Want to provide the jobs to solve in unemployment. We are looking in all directions and providing all the facilities which are possible in our hands. I hope you are observing everything here. We are taking every step. Even in food also I am taking more interest. Madam, we are at our capacity for providing lunch for all our people.
సో నైస్.
ఫోటో సెషన్ ఏమైనా ఉందా?
తెలుగుదేశం పార్టీలో మొట్టమొదటి టైంలో పెనమలూరు సెంటర్లో జెండా పాతించింది, ఫ్లాగ్ హేస్టింగ్ చేసింది నేను. తర్వాత 20 సంవత్సరాలు పార్టీ ప్రెసిడెంట్గా పనిచేశాను. కానీ ఇప్పుడు ఈ కంపెనీని కట్టేయడంలో ప్రధాన పాత్ర పోషించింది నేను. ఈ కంపెనీ బిల్డింగులు మొత్తం అయ్యే వరకు ఇక్కడే ఉండి పని చేయించాను. మీ అందరూ ఈ సంస్థకి బాగా పనిచేసి బాగా డెవలప్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటూ సెలవు తీసుకుంటున్నాను.
Perhaps the next time I come back, we'll have, better conversations, yeah? Good. All the best to all of you. Thank you for this opportunity. Nice to see your passionate, smiling faces. Yes? Yeah? Not just to the women, but everyone else around as well. Sorry, I've been saying a lot of women, but...
and in the way you are going, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
And I really appreciate Nara Lokesh Garu to be very supportive to you, ma'am. That I learned from your speeches.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. On behalf of all my employees, hope we are all happy and our excitement is still going on. I can't hear that. We need more excitement. She's leaving, right?
సుమన్ టీవీ వెళ్తే ఒక బయట ఉంటుంది.
Thank you very much. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Sir, please, sir.
And see you soon.
Thank you so much.
Again.
If you have a mobile, I'd like to take a selfie from here with everyone. Can I borrow one of your mobiles?
One selfie with every
అమరావతి మినిస్టర్ అయినప్పుడు 5 years కంపెనీని మంగళగిరికి తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది. ఏదైతే ఒక చాలా చిన్న ఆపరేషన్గా మొదలైందో ఒక్క ఆఫీస్లోనే 630 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఉన్నారు. అందులో ప్రత్యేకత ఏంటంటే 400 కన్నా ఎక్కువ ఎంప్లాయీస్, మెజారిటీ ఎంప్లాయీస్ ఇక్కడ మహిళలే. నాకు చాలా గర్వంగా ఉంది.
ఉండాలి 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 తల్లి, కొంచెం ఉండాలి, వెయిట్ చేయండి కొంచెం.
మంగళగిరిలోనే 1000+ ఎంప్లాయీస్ స్కేల్ అవుతారు. ఇలాగా ఎన్నో ఐటీ కంపెనీస్ తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది మంగళగిరిలో. అదే కాకుండా
సార్ ఎస్ సార్, ఎస్, ఓకే ఓకే సార్, ఓకే సార్, ఎస్ సరే సార్, సరే సార్.
ప్రత్యేకంగా ఇలాంటి కంపెనీస్ చేస్తాయి, వాళ్ళు కూడా ఒక ఆదాయం చేస్తాయని కంపెనీ చాలా బాగా చాలా మంది మహిళలకి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఒక గవర్నమెంట్ పనిచేస్తున్నాయి. గోయింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్ ఎస్ తప్పకుండా అందరూ మహిళలు ప్రత్యేకంగా చాలా బాధ్యతగా ఆలోచిస్తారు. అందుకే వాళ్ళని ఉండే వాళ్ళని ఎంకరేజ్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే అదే కాకుండా మన భవిష్యత్తు బాధపడాలని ఆదరాలు
ఓకే.